Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Wetransfer to send large files easily. Perfect for beginners. First, open wetransfer.com here, search on the browser. Once you are on the site, this one, click I accept all here, agree the terms. Here you can see the agree button. Now upload files. Go to your file here. Open your file explorer, find the file or folder you want to send here, then right click on it and you will see an option compress to zip file. It helps to make the file smaller for easier access. Then choose the zip file you just created and hit open. Here go to add files and choose here is the zip file I have created a while ago. Now here I have added it. Now enter the recipient's email address, then your own email option, and optionally add a message if you want to. Click the three dot here. Here's the three dot and like set an expiry date or adding password for extra security if you need. Now click transfer. Wetransfer will send a code to your email. Check your inbox, copy the paste and paste it into the box and click verify. Once verified, your file will start uploading. The time depends on your file size. The recipient will get an email from WeTransfer. They can just click download to get the file. And that's it. That's how you send large files using WeTransfer. Hit like if this helped and check out the next tutorial on sharing via Google Drive.